In this video, you will learn how to remove the Instant feature from your Instagram inbox and turn off instant notifications. Let's get started. To remove the Instant feature from your inbox, first open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Next, tap on the three lines at the top and it will take you to the Settings and Privacy page. Now scroll down a little and here you will see the option Content Preferences. Tap on it. Here you will see the option Hide Instant in Inbox. Turn on this option. This will remove the Instant feature from your inbox page, so you will no longer see your friends' Instant posts or tap the icon by accident. To turn off notifications for Instagram Instant, go back to the main settings menu and select Notifications. Scroll down and tap Instant. Select Off for both instant notifications and emoji reaction notifications. Once you do this, you will no longer receive any notifications related to Instagram Instant. That's it. This is how you can easily remove the Instant feature from your Instagram inbox and turn off all instant notifications in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.